All right, this is JR with League City Fence Company. Wanted to show you a horizontal cedar fence that we built for a customer. This features a 2x12 bottom rot board, 6-foot cedar pickets with a 2x6 top cap and a 1x4 cedar trim. And then in between the post where we put the pickets, you can see that we put the trim so that way it would go ahead and look more decorative. So this goes all the way around. We do have some double doors in the back. This was a 12-foot gate, so we have two 6-foot gates. All of this fence is 8 foot tall, and it's constructed 6 foot on centers using 6x6 posts that were sunk 4 foot in the ground. So we've got this fence here, and it's in the ground 4 foot with the post. It's a little dirty because we had a lot of rain, and you can see the customer should be getting the fence stained, and that'll help with the gapping, because just like any fence, as the pickets start drying out, you get a little bit of gapping. They had a shower here that we went ahead and enclosed, so you can see that, and we put a door here so they can get back behind to their pool equipment. So again, this is a horizontal cedar picket fence that we installed. If you are looking for a quote on your fence project, please reach out to LeagueCityFenceCompany.com. We'd be glad to give you a quote. You can visit our website at LeagueCityFenceCompany.com. You can call us at 281-724-5770. And again, we'd be happy to come out and quote your project. So this customer's going to have a nice privacy area back for their pool, and we were happy to install this beautiful fence for them. Thank you, and have a good one.